after collect the gold. Hello guys, after we collect the gold, umur saya 14. Saya bisa saya akan tunjukkan sesuatu kepada kamu. I will show you something, but first, this is Optimus Prime, this is John Starscream, this is Surcribe, this is Leon, this is Lockdown, this is John Anthony. All event was complete. This still not ada yang tak complete. The new character is Breakdown. Breakdown has an exception of paranoia. Who said that? Who said that? With handle everything he does. And looking at me, he was organized to help the balance the fight on the ground. As the Decepticons have supremacy in the air as much as the Autobots rule the ground. Check out for Facebook page for new trivia and potentially some spoilers. Please like and follow. This is the one guaranteed of gold crate. It is epic. The legendary doesn't have, but it's so hot. But new. And this will get soon. Open and get trend. This still have to. Now it's the game. And I will tell you some. Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Sunwave, Bloodgeon, Heatwave, Lockdown, Ultra Magnus, Galvatron, Sunbuster, Tarantino Prime, Thundercracker, Gas, Growl, Vietnam Grimlock, Northern Starscream, Northern Sunwave, District, Design Level 2, Bumblebee Level 2, Sunwave level 6, Blackgeon level 7, Heatwave level 6, Lockdown level 7, Magnus level 6, Galvatron level 6, Sunbuster level 6, Optimus Prime level 7, Thundercracker level 6, Gas level 7, Brown level 6, SM Grimlock level 6, John Starscream level 6, John Sunwave level 5, Twistic level 6. I will tell you something. Rescue bots, Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Heatwave, Sunwave, Sunblaster, Ultra Magnus, Galvatron, Gas, Lockdown, Brawl, Northern Starscream, Thundercracker, Northern Sunwave, Bloodgeon, Thundercracker Prime, Gas and Grimlock, Blue Stick, it has to. Ultra Magnus, it app pernah belum. This is VIP. This is specialist, new hero. This is coming soon. And this is Unicron. I don't know. Actors from complete squad get you bonus coin points in their event. Each squad you complete also boost your income. After that, rescue bots, instrument of destruction, target Revenant, Pure Warriors, the Seekers, John Pilot, Final Persons, Leaders, Sorceress, Brothers in Armor, the iconic Transformer, Totrot, Cybertronians, Wrecker, Enslaver, Speedster, the Death, Mitas, Papan. After that, VIP, Specialist, and Support will come soon. I'm gonna collect the coins again. Let's play in a few minutes. Berapa detik doang kok. Concussion. Speed. Let's say this is the new hero that I ever seen. And this is I am Henry William. My name is Henry William. Before that, I'm gonna show you something. This is strong. It sounds strong too. But this is new one. The strongest one. Strongest one. Just get little hit. Let's boost. And shot. Shotgun. And boost again. I'm in record now. A few minutes. And see again. Okay. Let's move. 554 skornya. Saya pernah sampai 10.000 lebih. Ke 131 pick yang dilawan diberikan 6 koin. Atas 54 skor yang ditambah. After that, that's all. Wait, I'm gonna show this, but before that I will end this. So, bye!